Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer photos on your Android phone. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure you are logged in and make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So guys, there are several ways to transfer photos from Android phone to another device, and here I'm going to show you about the Bluetooth one. So Bluetooth, you can transfer photos from Android phone to another using the Bluetooth, and just simply turn on the Bluetooth from both the devices and just pair them and then select the photos you want to transfer and then send them via the Bluetooth. You can use the Zapier application. These are the two ways to transfer your photos and the videos to your Android phone. Hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.